Jenny. Thank you for joining me in the Madison Public Library. February 7th is National Send a Card to a Friend Day, and February 14th is, of course, Valentine's Day. So today we will be making cards. You will need some cardstock, and then we will be recycling old cards, magazines, or ribbons for this project. So like I said, you will need some cardstock for the base of your card. Then we will be cutting 1/4-inch strips out of our cards or magazines. And you can even use ribbon. So you will need some scissors or a paper trimmer and some glue. So let's get started. All right, to begin, we're going to make the base of our card with some cardstock. You can use any size you like. My cardstock is 8.5 by 11, so I like to cut it across the middle, and that will make 2 cards. So you can make it a side fold or a top fold card, and you get 2 out of 1 piece of paper. And then I used the Cricut machine to make some cutouts. So another option would be to take a basic shape like a heart and cut it with an X-Acto knife. And then if a third option would be to just use your strips of paper and glue them in a quilt pattern, or here a basket weave pattern I glued right onto the card itself. And then you're going to take a piece of scrap paper. So you're going to want it to size it to be smaller than the piece of your cutout. And we're going to take our 1/4-inch slices of cards or paper and start gluing them onto the card. So working in a small section at a time, I'm just going to start gluing down my strips of paper, making sure that there aren't any gaps between the strips of paper. All right, and then when you're finished doing that, you will have a card such as this, or in the case of the ribbon, I ran some strips of ribbon across my card. And then you're going to go ahead and glue those to your cutouts, behind your cutouts. Or if you don't want to use a cutout, you can glue that right onto your card itself. So this one I can glue on. I could add some hearts, some buttons, some stickers. I did cut out some words on the Cricut machine. So here I have another heart with the piece of paper. And this. and my flower. Or, as I said, you can basket weave some strips here. And on this one is just a square quilt pattern, and I added the heart-shaped button to the center. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember that you can call the library to schedule an appointment to use our Cricut machine. All you need to do is supply your own paper. And we also have our AccuCut machine, which will allow you to cut shapes out of multiple pieces of paper at one time. So send some joy this February, and please remember to like this video and subscribe, and follow the library on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.